Hormonal control of the menstrual cycle. The menstrual cycle is controlled by hormones. The ovarian cycle is influenced by the follicle-stimulating hormone and the luteinizing hormone, while the uterine cycle is influenced by estrogen and progesterone. The levels of the hormones change during the different stages of the menstrual cycle and have influence on each other. The graph below shows the changes in the levels of the individual hormones during the menstrual cycle. During day 1, the pituitary gland is stimulated to secrete FSH. FSH makes the follicle to develop into a mature Graafian follicle. The Graafian follicle secretes estrogen. Estrogen prepares the uterus by thickening the endometrium, making it more vascular, thicker, and glandular. When the level of estrogen increases, an impulse will be sent to the pituitary gland for it to secrete LH. LH will then be stimulated to convert the broken Graafian follicle into corpus luteum. The corpus luteum will start to secrete progesterone. Progesterone will take over the function of estrogen, which is to thicken the endometrium. If the ovum is fertilized, levels of progesterone will maintain being high and FSH will decrease. But if the ovum is not fertilized, FSH will rise and progesterone will decrease. In this case, the ovum is not fertilized because we can see the levels of progesterone are dropping and the levels of FSH are rising. So therefore, the woman is not pregnant. As we can see that during day 1 to 7, menstruation is occurring, we can see that the endometrium is shedding off, it's tearing. And during day 14, we can see that ovulation is occurring as LH is at a peak, and we know that high levels of LH stimulate ovulation.